Welcome to a journey through history, patriotism, and architectural marvel. Today, we explore the Statue of Unity, a towering tribute to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Standing tall along the banks of the Narmada River in the Indian state of Gujarat, the Statue of Unity is more than just a sculpture. It symbolizes unity, integrity, and the spirit of a nation. Designed by renowned Indian sculptor Ram V. Sutar, the statue stands at an imposing height of 182 meters, making it the world's tallest statue. Its intricate details and dynamic pose capture the essence of Sardar Patel's leadership and determination. The Statue of Unity attracts millions of visitors annually, offering a unique and immersive experience. The Statue of Unity complex includes a museum, exhibition halls, and a research center, providing a comprehensive understanding of India's struggle for independence and the contributions of its leaders.